This is a test of the emergency alert system.
If you're looking to save, now's the time to buy during our fabulous once-a-year midsummer patio clearance sale.
Our family's been buying Treasure Island furniture for over 25 years.
I got my exquisitique at Treasure Island.
We all get our furniture at Treasure Island.
We sure do. It's the only place.
Treasure Island, where else?
There's a lot of summer still left, but our Treasure Island midsummer clearance sale is happening now. Treasure Island is a most unusual store.